Lovely today, that is for sure. All right, Mickey, you're pretty helpful at the tempo for the morning. That was just great, ladies and gentlemen. Now is your chance to join in with the Disneyland Band, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and all of their pals as we march our way down the street together to Town Square. It is going to be bunches of fun. But folks, see, now this is the deal. Mickey and Minnie, they think that we should practice marching here in place before we get onto the street together. So this is what we need you all to do. Kids and all the flag. You guys ready? We need you to stick out your left foot so that we can practice marching. We'll start on the left foot. There we go. I see some feet. All right, let's practice marching. Here we go. Here. Ready? March it. Yeah. Hey, next one. Once you go to that right now, guys. Well, good marchers. I think what I'm seeing. So far, so good. Just right down the street is just a little something like this. But Goofy, you're going to have to show us how it's done. Come on, Goofy. Here we go on in.
I just can't wait to meet you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you to Town Square. It is so great to see all of you. And with that in mind, the Dapper Dance thought it'd be kind of fun to sing one of our favorite tunes from Toy Story. You've got a friend in me. 1, 2, 1, 2.